Man, my love for cars really started, you know, just being with my dad and just messing with the cars that he had around. My dad, he had a 74 Plymouth Valiant four-door car with 318 in it. He's got a 1955 Dodge pickup truck, 66 Dodge Charger. And just being out there with him and messing with him, that really started my love and trend for cars. And I know back when I was in high school, I ended up buying myself a 75 Plymouth Valiant little four-door car with a slant six. Ended up getting that thing running, and you know, people made fun of me for driving that thing because it was poop brown, and you know, it wasn't the fastest car, but heck, it was reliable. You could turn that key and crank up. And you know, just and being around my uncles. My uncle had a 70 Plymouth Roadrunner, a Chevelle Satellite. He had so many different cars. My other uncle had a Dodge Charger, Plymouth GTX, and he also has a Chevelle too. And just being around them and just talking about cars, that's really what fueled my love for cars. And when I started, you know, got a little bit older, watching videos on YouTube, I seen the many different cars drag racing, doing stuff, and it's just, that really just even sparked a bigger interest in me. But then, like, you know, just going away for college for a little bit, I neglected that car and I didn't really do anything with it. And then coming back for a couple years, I just kind of let it sit there. I didn't know what I really wanted to do. But, you know, just hanging out with friends at work, talking about cars really sparked my love back for cars. Even though I don't say it fully left, I still had that love there, but I just didn't have the interest to do a build. But, you know, now I'm really focusing up, trying to get in there, turn these wrenches, see what I can do. But yeah, y'all stay tuned to this. Y'all stay tuned. I'm really excited to see where this is gonna go. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Ty from Speeding and Stunting here in my garage. I wanted to show you my 1975 Dodge Dart Swinger. So here's an overview. Body's real clean, not too many imperfections in it. It's got some slight rust here and there, but originally a slant six car. It was originally baby blue, but then my dad, he painted it turquoise green. It was originally my dad's car. He passed it to me. But before it was my dad, it was belonged to this one older man, and he actually passed away in the front seat of the car. Right there is an original Dodge Rally. Of course, it needs to be cleaned up, but I got a brand new set that I'm gonna be getting. The inside of it, I already got a seat to replace this one. Of course, you know, it's from 1975, so there's gonna be some imperfections in here, especially after it's sitting for a minute. Rip the headliner out, do all that stuff. But my main goal for this car is just to turn it into a street / drag car, have a little fun in it. But yeah, growing up, when I was little, I always wanted to do NASCAR. I told my parents I wanted to be a NASCAR driver. Then that's when I started seeing drag strips, and I was thinking, whoa, I want to do that. I want to go that fast down a straight line. So my love for cars pretty much started when just hanging around my dad and my uncles. My uncle, he had a 70 Plymouth Roadrunner, Chevelles, C10 Chevrolet pickup trucks, just all kinds of cars, you know, and that really got my love for it. And then, of course, with my dad, he had this car completely redone probably about 10 years ago, and they was going out to car shows and just doing different things, and that really got me hooked in on fast cars and just show cars in general. And then it didn't help much either when I started my job and I met this guy, Trey B. Whippin', and he got my love re-sparked for cars, because I kind of just let this car. sit for a couple years and didn't do anything with it. And I'd bought a 318 off a guy, and it ended up being blown up. And I went out and bought a farm truck 360 that I was gonna drop down in here. And when it came time to put it in here, kind of ran into some problems, and you know, I just kind of pushed it to the side and didn't really worry about it anymore. But you know, I'm hanging out with some people that's got me motivated. It's got me wanting to do the thing, so I'm gonna see what I can do with it. Sorry for the lighting. I don't have the motor, and I don't have somebody to help me push this sucker out of here. I'm weighing probably about 3,000 pounds, but I want to be changing some things. It's gonna loosen that weight up a little bit, lighten that load up a little bit. But yeah, this is my 1975 Dodge Dart. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hey, what's up guys? I know y'all just saw the preview of my 1975 Dodge Dart Swinger. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all have any questions about it, y'all can drop a comment below. But yo, I wanted to get on here real quick at the end and talk about speeding and stunting. Yo, speeding and stunting is just a different type of brand where all car people can get together. You know, you got your imports, you got your American muscle, you got your big motor trucks, you got dirt track cars. You know, it's a place where all of us could come together and bring our different aspects of racing and going fast and show cars, and we can just collaborate and talk, show our builds. We got a Facebook page and an Instagram page, and you know, we got our YouTube channel. So hey, if anybody's got a car around Bowling Green, Tennessee, Louisville that y'all want to come on the show, tell us a little bit about your car, why you love your car, and why you did what you did to your car. Hey, drop a comment below because we'd love to feature you on the channel. But guys, I'm just saying, like, we're trying to bring the drag strip scene back where we can all hang out, have car meets, hang out and chill, talk about our cars, and just have some fun. Hey, if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and drop a subscribe and like, guys, because we got more content coming. Hey, and stay tuned for Fugitive. That's the name of the Dart, baby.